Okay, so now we're going to do a subtraction standard algorithm using base 10 blocks. This is not something that I would walk the kids through. I would actually give them a word problem and some base 10 blocks and have them do a little bit of group work and investigation on their own and kind of learn from each other and have those conversations to discuss what they think should happen. So I could say I have $120 saved up and I want to buy a video game that costs $64. Well, if I know I have to pay the store for the video game, my amount is going to get smaller. And you can teach your kids to label everything and do the place value chart. So I have my hundreds, tens, and ones. So if I look, I have $120. So I have 100, 2 tens, 2 tens, 20, and I have no ones. So my $120. So I need to give the store 4 ones to help pay for my video game. Well, I don't have any ones. So what can I do? Well, if I look over here, this is the next closest thing to my ones, and I can see that there's 10 individual pieces in that 110. So if I trade this out, so trade it out with the bank and bring in 10 ones, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 ones now. So now if I look at my pieces, I have 100, I have 110 now because I traded. So I have 110 now. And then I now have 10 ones because I traded this 10. So if I look, I still have the exact same amount. I have 100, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I still have the exact same amount, I just have different pieces. So now I have 10 ones and I can give the store 4 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4 goes to the store. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones left over. Okay, so if I look now, I have a 100 and a 110, but I need to take 6 tens away. Well, I don't have 6 tens to take away. So again, I'm going to have to trade. So I have a $100 bill, so I'm going to trade it into the bank. But I still want $100. I don't want them to short me. So I'm going to count out by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So there's my 100. So I don't have a flat anymore. But now I have 11 tens. Is my value the same? Well, let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110. Well, I did. I had 110, so my value is still the same. So I just have different pieces. So now I can take the 6 rods or the 6 tens away from the 11 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are taken away. So I can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. So 11 tens minus the 6 I paid the store leaves me with 5 tens. So I have $56 left over.